Nalor ke jing pulie ba ke jing yo I lepa ya kiwei di kisap ki pong. Ki badon haki Khynnah, ki baju pau ki rensan, ki baju penlong haki skul. Le si klade ka por ba ki Khynnah ki deiru ban yo jing hikai haki wei di ki benta. Ki ba hakwe ke sngi kin long pat kum ki lat ki ban yada na kinu ki jingja lanie yada ye ki weiru. Da ka ba yo I jingai halor kani ka benta. Benta ka wei ni ki skul ba pau ha ka ni no ba chalong kala phai khmat ban ai jing hi kai ki Khynnah ha ka wei pat ka benta jong ka jing em ka jong ki ha ka jo ka por ka balong ru shi benta ban pen he pensan ye ki ha pedeng ka met ka phat ka ba koj ba khya rengkat ka jing ki lan met tung ni phai sak ni ka kubor ka baleng kot shi por
kinong penia jong ka St Edmunds School Shillong ka ba de ka wei ni ki skul na pedeng ki ba puan pat ki banalor ke jing pule ka ple jingmut rukum no ban khmi aga sap ka phong ka badan ki Khynnah nado ki badang long bha karta hado ki tu ki bala kham he kan thop nado ki sap ki bapau halor rensan
So glad you came our way. We would have perished without you.
Kibor penya jang St Edmunds School Shillong hapok ke jingelam jang brother Solomon Morris kumu principal. Nalor ke jing pule, ke jingela kai bat kisap halor rensan. Mentai kala pai khmat shaka wei pat ke benta ban pentebet iki Khynnah. U brother Solomon Morris hadian bulayo ban pule ki kubor jan man la kapor. Ha ke babon ki breu kham tam ki samla ki ngam jelop lane ki syarong no ha ko ha ki babun ki jingja. Kala ketik ke jingmut jing perkhat jeng u panle ai halor kani dei nagane bahakini ki khindat senam belala ularai ban snano da kapung hikai jingi ke bakat kum ke jok ke bementa ne ka swimming pool
The swimming pool project was born out of the different articles I kept reading, newspaper reporting of so many people getting drowned, youngsters going for picnic and, suddenly getting washed away in a stream or getting drowned in the lake. So my whole concept was we need to teach the children some skills, some life-saving skills where they actually learn how to survive. So when they go out for outing, picnics and all that, we don't have tragedies. So that was the idea that I had in mind to make sure we have a swimming pool. At least if we train the children how to swim, they can save themselves. That was the concept.
Ha kani ke jaka hikai jingi ke belala ban pendap at plie ha kani ke senam arhajar arpuar. La ban sakhi bal ai jingi kai gi Khynnah nadu ke badang red bha karta. Ha ke bal ai jingi kai di laingut ki reu syampang baken thub ikong Charlene MK Nongkenri ikong Erika Jerwa badu ba harvester wanyang. Kat ya kani ke jingtai ya ke jingrot jingsap labai pisah bed daga kenhuan Congregation of Christian Brothers klem dashim ram nagi bang nepan jingkershan naga sorkar.
No, we didn't ask any funds from the government. It was totally a Christian Brothers project. We decided to spend, and nothing. I mean, I felt it was a necessity, and so many kids can benefit from it. So we spent on our own. The brothers themselves, the school handled the finances ourselves.
Ya kani ke jaka jingi latai ru kat kum ke juk start ke bomenta. Ha ke baya ko ru lapen khoj lang baki kor ki bor. Bat udan ru de ureu syampang u bakmi baku gan long basngan ki nong jingi. Bat baku ru kadai ke basai. Nalor kapong Iwei di kijing dan kam lapan biang lut akan ke jaka. Naduk ki kamera keliang jan, ki kor ne ki shower, ban sum shwa begin jingi, bat ki senduk ban bu ki mar ki mata jong ki Khynnah.
The water, we have a bore well, so we tapped into that. So first thing we did was to make sure we have water, so we don't have to, because Shillong has shortage of water itself, we were aware of that, but we made sure that we have our own water supply in our own campus. We invested in a bore well, and that's how we get the water.
Hang ni kidan artli ipo. Kawai kedai na kebentak yang red, kebalong berjendong. Bat kawai pat kedai na kebentak Khynnah ikala kamhe, kebaga jingjeliu dalam sanput.
So we have basically, every class goes to the swimming pool once a week. You know? So we try to maintain the temperature between 28, 29, 30 degrees. So that the children find it quite comfortable. The pH factor also is well looked after. We make sure the water is not excessively chlorinated, so the eyes don't burn. So every day there's a gentleman there who looks after the pool, and he tests the water every day, the pH factor and also the temperature. And even the showers and all, normally it's warm. The children get a hot shower, and the water itself is just nice. And the fact that it's an indoor pool, heated pools, children, the temperature is well maintained. The fact that the children want to come, they don't want to miss the day they have swimming. The day they have swimming, they don't want to miss the classes, they don't want to miss the school. So that is a good indication for me. So I suppose their joy is reflected in the parents. I suppose the parents are also quite happy. Some are a little concerned regarding the if they have temperature and all that, what happens. So we normally, if a child is sick, he doesn't go to the pool, you know. But majority of the parents are quite happy that there's an opportunity for them to learn swimming. So my thinking is, so we have about 1600 children in school. So even if half the children, even if 800, 900 children learn how to swim by the end of their school years, it's an achievement, and it's a great achievement for the society. It's a great benefit for the society, you know.
Ka thong hi ka bahak mat jong principal jong nega school kalong ban hi kai jingi ki Khynnah nang bagen lat ki jingja bas ngosi ha ko la ne bagen laru ba ai jingarap ki wede kum ba kalong mentapat ya gitu ki beren ke jing sngo tenat ban jingi kan ni kalong ru ka kabu na ke benta kitu ke beren ke jing ang nuat ban le yeshem benta ha ki jing ya ko jingi.
so that is the hope, no? That is our hope, to make sure we spot the talent, then try and nurture them and make sure they become good, at least a state level champion, and then later on push for the national, whatever. It depends on the children, depends on their enthusiasm, depends on our coaching. So hopefully we will move in that direction. This only we just started, but very soon I'll be having a competition now in sometime in August or something, just to generate some interest among the children. So those who are good at swimming, they can shine, and then that will boost, that will sort of, give incentive to the other children to perform well.